Good morning, students. Today we are going to see that in class 7, chapter 2, measurements. Chapter 2, measurements. The earlier classes we measure that using distance, weight, time. The distance we measure, we have the standard units, SI units. So, always distance use the unit meter, kilometer, centimeter, like that. In the weight we use the units gram, milligram, centigram, like that. Next time we use second, minutes, hours. Now, last year we studied about perimeter and area. So what is perimeter? The distance around the shape is perimeter. If you take this is the shape distance around, is perimeter. What is area? The region occupied by the shape, closed shape. The region occupied by the closed shape is area of the shape. Okay, this is area of the shape. This measurement is the region occupied by the shape is area of the shape. Okay, last year we studied what are the shapes, perimeter and area you studied. Do you remember that? Yes, square, rectangle, triangle and circle. So what is, do you remember what is square, perimeter of the square? Yes, 4 into side. What is area of the square? Side into side. Rectangle, what is the perimeter of the rectangle? Yes, 2 into L plus B. Area of the rectangle? L into B. Triangle. The triangle, perimeter of the triangle is sum of the all the sides. Sum of the distance of the all the sides. And area of the rectangle is, we studied only right angle triangle. The right angle triangle area only we studied. The right angle triangle area is half into BH. Okay. Now we are going to study this chapter. We are going to study three new shapes. What are the shapes? Parallelogram, rhombus, trapezium. Parallelogram, rhombus, trapezium. So now we are going to study about the parallelogram. The first exercise we are going to study about the parallelogram. So when we see the rhombus and trapezium, I will tell. Now, this exercise we are going to study about the parallelogram. So, parallelogram, it's look like rectangle. So, what is the difference between rectangle and parallelogram? Yes, here also opposite sides are equal and parallel. So, parallel means what? It does not touch that. It does not touch the lines did not intersect the two lines. These lines are called parallel. So here the opposite sides are parallel. This sides also parallel because it will not intersect. So these lines are parallel and equal. This side equal to this side is equal to this side. So only one difference in rectangle and parallelogram. What is the difference? Yes, in the rectangle it is right angle triangle. It makes right angle triangle. Every corner it makes right angle triangle. But in parallelogram it makes acute angle and obtuse angle. It will not the right angle triangle. If it is right angle triangle, it is the rectangle. If it is not the right angle triangle, some of the angles are acute, some of the angles are obtuse angle. It is the shape of parallelogram. This shape is called parallelogram. So what is the property of parallelogram? Yes, parallelogram is opposite sides are equal and parallel. It not measures 90 degree. Now we will go and see about the parallelogram. Parallelogram, we are going to find the parallelogram area and perimeter. So how you find area and perimeter of the parallelogram? So we studied opposite sides are, parallelogram means opposite sides are parallel and equal. So what is the formula for perimeter of the parallelogram? Yes, sum of the length of the four sides. So if you want to find perimeter of the parallelogram, you have to sum of the length of the four sides. Area is base into height. So what is base into height? This is the base of the parallelogram. Height. So the shape height is height of the parallelogram. This is height of the parallelogram. So we want to multiple base into height, that is area of the parallelogram. Base into height is equal to area. So area is equal to what? Base into height. So base, this is the base. We have to measure the height like that. But our base is this. Our height is, we have to measure this to distance is height of this base. This is the base means height is, we have to measure to this side. This is the height of the shape. Okay, now we are going to see the example. Example 2.1. Find the area and perimeter of the parallelogram given in the figures. So, what is given? The figure is given. They told you how to find the perimeter and area of the parallelogram. So, first shape is what? Yes, this is the first shape. What is the base? 2 base also is given. This base is 15. This is 15. This also 15. This is 5 centimeter. This also 5 centimeter. Now, which one height is given? Yes, they given this height. This is the height means base what we want to take. You have to take this is the base. Okay. This is the base. So now we know base and height. We are going to find the perimeter and area of the parallelogram. So what is the perimeter of the parallelogram? So perimeter is sum of the length of the 4 sides. Perimeter is sum of the length of the 4 sides. So sum of the length of the 4 sides is what? First side is 15 plus 5 plus 15 plus 5. So you have to add 15 plus 5, 20. 15 plus 5, 20. So 20 plus 20, what it is the answer? Yes, 40 centimeter. So perimeter is 40 centimeter. Next we are going to find the area. So what is area of the shape? Yes, base into height. Formula is base into height. Base into height, we mentioned the letter base, we mentioned the letter B. Height we have to represent by H. So base is what? Yes, 15 centimeter into height is 4 centimeter. So 15 fours are. Do you remember the multiplication? Yes. 60 centimeter into centimeter, centimeter squared. So area is equal to 60 centimeter squared. Next we will see the another example. So what is the next example? So this side is 9 centimeter. What is the opposite sides are equal. So this side also 9 centimeter. Here 18 centimeter. Here also 18 centimeter. But here the height is given this side. If the height is given this side, so what is the base? Yes, they take the base. This they find the height of this side. This opposite sides they find the height. So what is the perimeter? Sum of the length of the 4 sides. Yes, 18 plus 9 plus 18 plus 9. So what is 18 plus 9? Yes, 18 plus 9 is 27. 18 plus 9 is 27. So totally 54 centimeter. Next, area. Area you know that base into height. Base into height. So what is base? Base is 18 or 9. Yes, they given the height of this side. So base is 9. Height is 16. So 16 into 9 is what? Yes, 144 centimeter square. This is finding area and perimeter of this sum. Next example 2.2. One of the sides and the corresponding height of the parallelogram are. So what is given? Two sides, opposite sides are equal is there. That is one of the side and height is given. One of the side and corresponding height of the parallelogram are 12 meter and 8 centimeter respectively. Find the area of the parallelogram. So our solution is they given base and 12 meter, height is given 8 meter. They told you how to find the area of the parallelogram. So area of the parallelogram is equal to, so you know that what is the area of the parallelogram formula? Yes, base into height. Base into height. So what is our base? Base is 12. Height is 8 meter. So 12 eights are, what is? 96 centimeter square. That's all. So it look like word problem is very difficult. No, it is very easy. We will see the next one. Find the height. They told you how to find the height h of the parallelogram. Find the height h of the parallelogram whose area and base are here. What is given? They given that area and base. So area is equal to 368 square centimeter. Base is equal to 23 centimeter. So what is our area of the parallelogram formula? You know that? Yes, here they given only area of the parallelogram and base. So what is not given? They not given the height. So area for the parallelogram, how much is given? They given 368 square units. We know what is the area of the parallelogram formula? Yes, base into height. So base into height is equal to 368. So next, base is given. So what is base? 23. So 23 into h is equal to 368. Now we want to find the height. So height we have to keep this side 368. The 23 we have to bring to this side. This is your new term is when you bring left side to equal to this side, the sign will be changed. Here it is operation will be changed. Here it is multiplication. When it comes this side, it becomes division. So 368 you divide by 23 is equal to 16. So height is equal to 16 centimeter. Height is equal to 16 centimeter. That's all. Thank you students. After watching, you have to subscribe and click the bell button. Thank you.